Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off email notification on BitPay. To turn off email notification on BitPay, first of all launch open a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box and type in bitpay.com and search. Also make sure that you're logged into your account by entering your account's login credentials. After logging into your BitPay account, go ahead and click on your profile icon or your username at the top right hand corner and click on settings. Inside the settings menu, make sure that you've selected profile and then scroll down and toggle off the button right next to email notification. Soon after you toggle this button off, you will not receive promotional emails from BitPay. So that is how you easily disable or turn off email notifications from your BitPay account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.